9 p.m.
From the Republic Media Network headquarters, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate. Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Welcome back, and we are debating tonight the demand of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, which says that the Supreme Court of India must stop the lower courts of the country from hearing petitions related to Hindu religious sites. And the All India Muslim Personal Law Board has issued all kind of threats, including some rather unfortunate threats bordering on violence. Ladies and gentlemen, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board's arguments in defense of the Places of Worship Act, in my view, are as flimsy as they are audacious. Their letter today, which we are putting out on republicworld.com, is not just a demand, it is an exercise in arrogance wrapped in the language of coercion. They demand that the Supreme Court stop lower courts from hearing petitions related to Hindu religious sites. They call the acceptance of petitions, quote-unquote, unfortunate, as if the due process of law needs their approval. And then comes their masterstroke, a veiled threat. They warn that failing to comply will lead to a, quote-unquote, explosive situation in the country, holding the judiciary and government responsible. Do we need this kind of warnings? Is this the language of justice? Or is this an open attempt to terrorize the nation into submission? Who gave the All India Muslim Personal Law Board the moral or legal authority to issue ultimatums like these to the judiciary of this country? Now let's peel back the layers of this act itself, the Places of Worship Act, a masterpiece of hypocrisy and discrimination. Section 3 of the Act criminalizes the conversion of places of worship, but conveniently ignores history's loot and destruction. Section 4 freezes the character of religious sites as of the day of independence, August 15, 1947, never mind the centuries of destruction inflicted by Muslim rulers on Hindu, Sikh, Jain and Buddhist places of worship in the country since 1192. And why 1947 is the cutoff date? Why should the atrocities faced by these communities, especially the Hindu community before 1947, be dismissed as irrelevant? Why should the destruction of their sacred sites by Muslim invaders, yes, I repeat, Muslim invaders, over centuries be frozen in time? This date is not just arbitrary. It is a direct blow to the right of these communities, especially the Hindu community, to reclaim their Hindu heritage and Hindu history. It is historical gaslighting. And Section 5, it exempts only the Ram Janmabhoomi, conveniently stopping short of addressing Kashi, Mathura, or countless other desecrated sites. Is this what the All India Muslim Personal Law Board calls secularism? Selective appeasement disguised as equality? Let's not forget the Congress party, riding on vote bank politics, rammed this act through Parliament in 1991. As the BJP was on the rise from 2 seats in 1984 to 120 seats in 1991 amidst the Ram Janmabhoomi movement. What was their excuse? They said it is to prevent communal clashes. But the act instead institutionalized inequality, violating Articles 14 and 15, barring judicial review, trampling over Articles 25, 26 and 29, which guarantee religious freedom. This act is not just legally questionable, but also historically unjust. And here's the kicker. Under Islamic law, a mosque requires valid waqf acquisition. Destroying temples does not magically create a mosque. So legally, aren't these destroyed temples still temples? It's a solid line of argument. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board does not want to hear these truths. They don't want these questions asked. But we will. We will. The people of India will. The Places of Worship Act is not a beacon of secularism, ladies and gentlemen. It is a monument to hypocrisy built on the ruins of justice. And then the letter of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, it's less an argument and more a desperate tantrum disguised as authority. They want to gag courts. They want to censor the media. They want to rewrite history. They want to terrorize the nation into silence. They even want to threaten the judiciary. But here's the catch. The truth does not bow to these ultimatums, and justice does not answer to threats. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board can huff and puff all it wants, but history is knocking, and this time the door will not stay shut. Let's debate.
Gyanvapi in Varanasi, Krishna Janmabhoomi in Mathura, Mosque in Uttar Pradesh's Sambhal, and now the Ajmer Sharif Dargah in Rajasthan. The demand to survey the ancient buildings is growing louder. The Hindu side claims that the Ajmer Sharif Dargah was built on the remains of a Shiva temple.
हर बिला शारदा अजमेर का बच्चा बच्चा जानता है, उनके नाम से वहाँ रोड के नाम है, सड़कों के नाम है। वो सारे साक्ष्य हमने माननीय अदालत के सामने रखे हैं। अदालत ने हमारी सारी बात मानी है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हमने बताई हैं। और जो वहाँ बुलंद दरवाज़ा है, बुलंद दरवाज़ा पहले ही नज़र में कोई देख लेगा कि उसमें हिंदू नक्काशी और कढ़ाई जो हिंदू संस्कृति को ही दर्शाता है, इस्लामिक पद्धति सब अलग होती है।
Rajasthan court accepted a petition that claims the mausoleum of Sufi saint Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti or the Ajmer Sharif Dargah is a Shiva temple. The suit was first filed in September, seeking directions to start the worship in the temple again.
कल के दिन सिविल कोर्ट ने जिस याचिका को माना और आगे सुनवाई के लिए बढ़ाया है, इसको लेकर यहाँ पर देखिए लोगों की कई तरह की प्रतिक्रियाएं भी सामने आ रही हैं। विष्णु गुप्ता ने जिस तरह से अपनी याचिका में जिक्र किया है कि हाँ, यहाँ पर हिंदू मंदिर होने के साक्ष्य हैं, जिस महादेव शिव मंदिर की बात यहाँ पर कही गई है, उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि इसके अंदर सबूत भी हैं।
किसी की किताब में कहीं ऐसा जिक्र नहीं है कि अजमेर दरगाह में मंदिर होना या इसका अवशेष होना पाया गया हो। ये सब पब्लिसिटी स्टंट है। ये महाशय आज नींद में से उठकर आए हैं। ये इनको नहीं मालूम ये क्या हरकत कर जाएंगे। इनको तो 2-3 महीने की पब्लिसिटी मिल जाएगी आपकी मीडिया के जरिए, लेकिन इनको ये मालूम कि लाखों करोड़ों जो पूरी दुनिया के अंदर अनुयायी हैं, हर मजहब का आदमी इस दरगाह को मानता है, उनकी आस्थाओं को किस प्रकार से ठेस पहुंचेगी।
While the opposition says this is a Hindutva agenda,
अब नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार क्या वो कहेगी जिस पर नरेंद्र मोदी ने अपनी चादर बिछाई है बहैसियत प्रधानमंत्री कि वो दरगाह है नहीं है? एएसआई क्या बोलेगा?
the BJP is calling for a detailed investigation.
किसी ने वहाँ पर किसी माननीय ने अपना याचिका दायर की, वो जांच का विषय कोर्ट माननीय कोर्ट ने उसको एक्सेप्ट किया, उसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी कहाँ से आ गई?
The All India Muslim Personal Law Board, meanwhile, demands that the Supreme Court should stop lower courts from accepting petitions where questions are raised on mosques being temples originally. The question is, what is wrong in a survey?
ये फ़ायदा क्या है? मुफ्ती मंजूर ज़ियाई जी, वारिस यूसुफ पठान, मुफ्ती मंजूर ज़ियाई वर्सेस शालिनी अली, who is with us today, and इश्करन भंडारी. मुफ्ती मंजूर ज़ियाई जी, ये सब देश में एक्सप्लोसिव सिचुएशन है, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, सुप्रीम कोर्ट को थ्रेटन करना, दिस इज़ अमेजिंग. वार्निंग द सुप्रीम कोर्ट, ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड, दैट फेलियर टू डू सो will lead to an explosive situation across the country. मतलब पूरे देश में विस्फोटक सिचुएशन हो जाएगा. ये कैसा विस्फोट होगा जरा बताइए. ये जो धमकी दी जा रही है सुप्रीम कोर्ट को, मुफ्ती मंजूर जी
अर्नब, ये मैं देश के सामने 2 बातें रखना चाहूंगा और इस बात को बहुत बखूबी समझ लेना चाहिए कि अजमेर दरगाह के ताल्लुक से जिस तरीके की बातें सामने आ रही हैं, कहीं ना कहीं इंसानियत पसंद इंसान को, जो इंसानियत पसंद हैं, जो इंसानियत नवाज हैं, जो अमन व अमान के ख्वाह हैं, उन तमाम के दिलों को तकलीफ इस बात से पहुंच रही है कि आप ऐसी दरगाह जो 800 साल से ज्यादा अरसे से सरकार गरीब नवाज की बारगाह से लोग फैज हासिल करने के लिए जाया करते हैं और आया करते हैं, उनके ताल्लुक से पूरी दुनिया में अमन और शांति का पैगाम पहुंचता है। सरकार गरीब नवाज की बारगाह से अमन का ऐसा पैगाम पहुंचता है जहां पर हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, बौद्ध, जैन, हर एक धर्म के मानने वाले लोग वहां पर अपनी मन्नतें।
तो हिंदुओं को क्या करना चाहिए मुफ्ती मंजूर जियाई जी? मैं आपसे एक पूछना चाहता हूँ मुफ्ती मंजूर जियाई जी, मुफ्ती मंजूर जियाई जी, आपको पता है कि जितने मुस्लिम रूलर्स थे, इन्वेडर्स थे, इन्होंने कई मंदिरें तोड़ी, जलाई, है ना? तो आप कह रहे हैं कि जितने हिंदू हैं इस देश में, जरा सुन लीजिए एक मिनट प्लीज, 100 करोड़ हिंदू हैं, उनको भूल जाना चाहिए। पूरे दुनिया में 140 करोड़ हिंदू हैं, इनको भूल जाना चाहिए कि कभी भी उनके मंदिरें तोड़ी गई, है ना? शिव मंदिर हो, माँ श्रृंगार गौरी हो, गणेश मंदिर हो, हनुमान मंदिर हो, उनको तोड़ा गया। आप कह रहे हैं कि हुआ तो हुआ।
नहीं,
आपका कहना है कि हुआ तो हुआ।
जो दूसरा पहलू में
आपका कहना है मुफ्ती साहब कि हुआ तो हुआ, अभी कुछ नहीं होगी।
नहीं अर्नब, मैं दूसरा पहलू जो मैंने दो बातें रखने की बात कही, एक तो बारगाह है गरीब नवाज की बात कही, दूसरा पहलू में हिंदू भाइयों से जो वहां से मोहब्बतें रखते हैं, उनसे रखते हैं, ताल्लुक रखते हैं, उनके सामने एक संविधान है। अगर पिछले राजाओं ने, महाराजाओं ने जो भी काम किए गए हो, जिस तरीके के भी कार्य हुए, उसके बाद उस वक्त संविधान नहीं था मुल्क में, आज संविधान है देश में और संविधान से मुल्क चलता है। संविधान ने जिस तरीके से तमाम,
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है, अच्छा तो मैं आपकी बात समझ गया। आप कह रहे हैं कि मैं आपकी बात समझ गया और मैं शालिनी अली और इश्करन जी आपका रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे। What you're saying in English is that it's very unfortunate that Hindu shrines have been destroyed. They have been destroyed, but there was no constitution then, कुछ नहीं हो सकता है। यानी कि आप कह रहे हैं बहुत दुर्भाग्य की बात है कि हिंदू मंदिरों को तोड़ा गया, उनके ऊपर मस्जिदें बनाई गई, मगर उस समय संविधान नहीं थी, तो इस पूरी चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट कर लेना चाहिए। शालिनी अली जी, आफ्टर दैट इश्करन। शालिनी जी, briefly.
See, first and foremost, you can't stop violence with violence. The same way you cannot stop a wrong by saying something wrong. Now you are trying to instigate the people, you are trying to instigate the entire community by saying that you will not listen to the following of the Supreme Court. That is absolutely wrong. Now, even when there is a claim that is being made by a Hindu body regarding the shrine having a shivling under it or being a mandir, that doesn't mean the entire Hindu community is speaking for the same. I agree to the fact, I go to the dargah, a lot of more Muslims and Hindus, Bauds, Jainis, everyone is going to that dargah, and we all know the history of it also. But that does not mean that the All India Muslim Personal Law Board tries to take the law in their hand and tries to instigate. Instead, they could have taken out a peace warning kind of a letter, an open letter stating or requesting to the Hindu bodies also, to that particular body also, that this is a faith, it's a faith that does not belong only to the Muslims, it belongs to the whole country. And that would have been a proper way of managing things. You cannot instigate the community by saying we will not listen to the following of the Supreme Court, first and foremost. Second thing, we have to stop, whether it is the Hindus or the Muslims, we have to stop digging into the past that goes away centuries ago. Like what the Sarsanchalak ji, Mohan Bhagwat ji said 2 years back, कि आप हर मस्जिद के नीचे शिवलिंग नहीं ढूंढ सकते हैं, उसी तरीके से आप हर एक मंदिर के नीचे मस्जिद भी नहीं ढूंढ सकते हैं. And it is time we go ahead. India has a past of having the maximum number of invasions.
शालिनी, you're saying अगर वहाँ पे महादेव की मंदिर थी तो भी कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता उसके बारे में?
अगर वहाँ महादेव की मंदिर थी और अगर वहाँ पे सर्वे होता है तो उसके बाद भी आप रिक्वेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं,
और उसके ऊपर अगर दरगाह बनाई गई है तो आप कह रहे हैं कि
इतने साल हो गए हैं उस दरगाह को वहां होते हुए, आप भी जानते हैं, मैं भी जानती हूं. और अगर ट्रबल मेकर्स हैं तो ट्रबल मेकर्स दोनों मजहबों में हैं. There are fundamentalists on the Hindu side, there are fundamentalists on the Muslim side also.
You are saying how is one to address that? My question is, if there is historical evidence, what are we supposed? Are you saying, Shalini, forget it है, there is historical evidence, बहुत पुरानी बात है, इन सब चीजों को उठाने की जरूरत नहीं.
बस मैं ये कह रही हूँ, आप किसी भी चीज को क्यों उठा रहे हैं?
क्यों नहीं उठा?
मैं तो आपको ये कह रही हूँ कि अगर 800 साल से वहाँ पे मस्जिद है और उस मस्जिद के नीचे मंदिर था, तो बहुत से ऐसे मंदिर है जिसके नीचे मस्जिद थी. भारत का संविधान,
एक बताइए कौन सी मंदिर है जिसके नीचे मस्जिद थी? आप जैसे आप ही इक्विवेलेंस कर रही हैं, तो मैं तो सीधा सवाल करूंगा ना शालिनी जी. एंड माय क्वेश्चन, आपने कहा कि अगर मस्जिदों के नीचे मंदिर हैं तो कई मस्जिद भी हैं जिनके नीचे मंदिर हैं. मुझे आप एक उदाहरण दे दें तो मैं डिबेट बंद कर दूंगा. शो मी वन मंदिर विच हैज बीन बिल्ट बाय डिस्ट्रॉइंग अ मॉस्क. वन मंदिर, वन हिंदू टेम्पल which has been built by destroying a mosque. मैं challenge दे रहा हूँ वारिस पठान को, शालिनी अली को और मुफ्ती जियाई जी को कि आप मुझे दिखाइए एक भी उदाहरण जहाँ पे मंदिर मस्जिद को तोड़कर मंदिर बनाई गई।
अगर आप मुझे कहें तो मैं बताऊं।
जी बताइए।
Allow me, I will make my point, sir.
जी बताइए।
The Places of Worship Act 1991 is into existence. The Places of Worship Act clearly says that all the monuments, structures, masjids standing from 15 August 1947, you cannot change the nature or character of that thing. Now, pending that, why do they require survey? That is why the people of country, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, the other are requesting the Honorable Supreme Court to issue a direction to the lower courts to stop them, to restrain them from passing orders for surveys. This is what happened in Sambhal. This is not what is happening in Ajmer. Ajmer, you want to do 800-year-old Dargah of Khaja Ajmeri. All of a sudden today they come to know that they want to have a survey. Where is the country being taken to by Modi and the RSS? Why do they want to create a communal tension in the country? Sambhal we saw 6 people were shot dead, 6 Muslim boys got martyred. Now they have started Ajmer. And let me tell you now, from the first Prime Minister of the country, Jawaharlal Nehru, to Narendra Modi, every Prime Minister has offered a chadar there. So they were offering it to the Dargah. Now what will they say? Mohan Bhagwat time and again now is saying that har mandir ke niche jaake aap masjid mat dhuro. हर मस्जिद के नीचे जाके मंदिर मत ढूंढो, बट शिवलिंग मत ढूंढो. But who listens to him? He is the person who is trying to create a communal tension in the country. Why does he not stop? If he is so serious, tell Modi. He is the master of Modi. Why Modi does not listen to him? Why the lower courts are not listening to the orders passed by the Honorable Supreme Court of the Places of Worship Act? Why do they want to enter into a survey? Similar thing happened in Sambhal.
Muslims do not listen to All India Muslim Personal Law Board. The same way all the Hindus don't listen to the RSS.
Why did they go for the second survey? Now see, when you were making your point, I was quiet. Please allow me.
The second survey,
let us have a decent debate.
I'm looking at it this way. The second survey, one minute. Waris, 1 minute. Waris, 1 minute. Waris, a moment.
And a cold-blooded murder.
Waris, give me a moment, yaar.
Who is responsible for that?
Yeah, give me a moment, man. Now listen to me, Waris. See, listen, there is no first survey, second survey, third survey. In the case of Sambhal and Ishkaran wants to come in, there is a survey. The court says do a survey. If the court-appointed commission wants to go 100 times to do a survey, it can. There is no bar on the number of times it has to go to do a satisfactory survey.
No.
It has to do a survey and go to the court. But anyway, you are nobody to come in the way.
Kantaka survey is 6:30. 9:30 they come out and say survey ho gaya. No, Arnab, they made a statement that survey ho gaya. Then what was the need for...
Waris, let me tell you one thing. Waris, let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. I have the greatest respect and regard for the Dargah. I'm saying so today. And everybody on this program knows that I have been always saying this, that I have always admired the nationalistic zeal of the Chishtis and the Chishti family, right? And who are the hereditary caretakers, and we all do. 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please. You 1 minute, please, yaar. मैं बात सुन लीजिए भाई आप all of a sudden अरे भाई all of a sudden नहीं है. What I am saying is, if like in the case of Varanasi, an archaeological investigation of the property is permitted by the Varanasi court, the case goes all the way to the Supreme Court, the survey is carried out, the results are released. There is a process. Now my question to Ishkaran is, there is another argument.
Where does this stop? No, where does this process stop? If tomorrow somebody says that Arnab, below your studio, there is something. Will you allow that?
1 minute. Don't be a hypocrite. I know you are a hypocrite. You and I, between both of us know. 1 minute. Waris, listen. You and I know your secret. You and I both know that you are a hypocrite. But you don't have to tell the whole world that. Where was this position that you took when the Waqf issue came out? When the Waqf said Parliament of India, Delhi airport is built on Waqf land? Did you take... No, what? I now? What do you mean I? Why are you stuttering now?
The Supreme Court has said, if it is a Waqf property, how can you say it is not a Waqf property?
Yeah, who the hell is a Waqf to say it's a Waqf property, man?
Ensure, Arnab, kindly go and look at the procedure
I mean,
Kindly look
I
at
don't
the
teach. Okay,
procedure
now I'm
before
getting
work is done.
Ishkaran on.
Have listened to that, read it
Ishkaran,
properly.
yaar.
You are-
Ishkaran, where do you
nowadays
stop on this?
you are busy
Today,
with the
the
mobile,
point
you are
is,
busy
the
on
point is
WhatsApp.
also,
You have
we
stopped
need
studying.
communal amity
Arnab,
in this
study
country.
more.
We
Look
need
less into the
communal
WhatsApp
amity in this
messages.
country.
You
We
are busy
don't
with
need
your
to
WhatsApp messages.
pick
That
up
is the difficulty.
multiple
You must
issues. The
study about
counter
the
argument is that if we
Kindly
keep...
study, work out properly.
Arnab, it's a question to me now. Can I come in?
question is to
Mr. Pathan,
Ishkaran.
that is
Two
it.
You are busy with WhatsApp messages. Kindly go and study what is work, how
Can I
it is
come in
work,
now?
how a gazette is done, how a notification is issued, and then it property belongs to.
Are you a
But
member
Modi
of
wants
any
to
waqf
snatch that
board?
property
Are you a
from the
member of
Muslims.
any waqf board?
Modi wants to take away the
Are you a
masjids,
member of any
our
waqf board?
madrasas, our
One minute.
orphanages.
He probably
Are you a member of any
actually
waqf
doesn't know
board?
the waqf was
Now,
working.
I'm not, but I know.
No, 1 minute. Waris, have you leased any waqf land? Have you leased any waqf property? Is it true that you have in your possession some waqf property which you've leased
I
out?
have dealt with so many work properties. Sir, in my area there are 4 work properties. In my area itself there are several 4 work properties in my area, and I know how they are worked. Work a person is
Which
given
means
out
you
of
have a
charity
commercial
for the
interest.
benefit and the purpose
Which
of the
means you have a
community.
commercial interest.
That is called waqf.
You have a commercial
No,
interest. You have a commercial
I work
interest.
for the betterment of the orphanages, for the orphan, for the madrasas, you must be working for commercial interest. I have an interest for the social cause, for the social justice.
Anyway, going
It is
back
a
to
waqf
Ajmer
property.
Sharif
It is
Dargah,
a
how
waqf
many such
property.
cases should be
Once a
opened up,
waqf,
Ishkaran,
once
and
a
why?
waqf. The Supreme
Ishkaran,
Court
please.
said
Let's get
waqf.
Ishkaran
Can I
in, please.
come in
yeah.
now?
Don't say Arnab, your studio is all waqf
Arnab,
property.
can you lower his feeder? It's an important topic. I won't shout on this topic, Arnab. Arnab, please, so are you coming to me after 20 minutes of the debate? I will not get into a shouting match on this topic. I need to put my views out. So either please lower his feeder or you go to him.
Procedure of law.
You continue. I won't
Continue,
shout.
Ishkaran, yaar. Come on.
Arnab, there are 3 people on this debate who in different language have the same viewpoint. I am the only one with a different viewpoint. So please give me adequate time without interruption. I did not interrupt a single speaker. The question
One
is
versus
how
three.
many temples need to be restored? If you broke one temple and illegally captured that temple, one has to be restored. If you broke 100, 100 have to be restored. If you broke 1,000, 1,000 have to be restored. There is an old legal maxim which says justice needs to be done though heavens may fall. You cannot always put the burden on Hindus to adjust with injustice because there are other people who are threatening violence. That is not going to fly in an independent country. Nobody is saying that a thing which is not provable in court should be done. But people have the fundamental right of access to justice. And if the courts believe that justice requires that mandir existed, then that has to be gone into, whether it be one or whether it be 40,000. That's just the position of law. Now, I want to speak something else which is very important here. Arnab. There is a direct Arnab, there is a direct threat being given to judiciary by people dog whistling. And I want to read out certain tweets by so-called journalists. One Miss Arfa Khanunam Sherwani, she tweets a photograph of 3 boys and writes on top of it, Justice Chandrachud, this is on you. This direct blaming, and there are other people like Miss Rana Ayub, maybe your favorite journalist, who also names Justice Chandrachud and then says who is responsible for the loss of 4 lives. So from Supreme Court to District Court, if courts pass orders as per law, then you start blaming them for violence done by a mob. Arnab, this same strategy is employed against Parliament when Parliament passes a CAA law because you do a Shaheen Bagh and you try to frustrate the orders of imagine 4 same strategy cannot be allowed to be employed against courts directly or indirectly. You try to frustrate the orders of the court by resulting to mob violence and for mob violence you do not blame the mob. You start blaming judges.
What was the local intelligence unit doing when such kind of thing?
No, I think that the way I look at it, the way I look at it is no. 1 minute. I need a moment. No, I need a moment. No, I need a moment. I need a moment.
Has the right to go to
Ishkaran.
I can quote so many tweets by right fellows. A person is dead and you are putting a heart up before that. A person is dead, a person is martyred, and the right-wing trollers, Arnab, they don't have any heart. They don't have any heart, they don't have any emotions. They are putting a happy heart there. अरे कभी कल किसको मरना है इश्करण मौत के किसकी रिश्तेदारी है आज हमारी तो कब तुम्हारी बारी है याद रखना एक दिन सबको मरना है किसी की मौत का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना जिंदगी में इस तरह की मजाक मत उड़ाना अरे मरना सबको एक दिन मौत पर है, सबको मरना है। आप बना रहे हो, मजाक बना रहे हो लोगों का। शर्म आनी चाहिए आप जैसे लोगों को।
शर्म आनी चाहिए कि आप जस्टिस का प्रॉब्लम है।
tweets on your Twitter and right-wing trolls have done that. किसी की मौत का मजाक बनाते हो, आप लोगों को शर्म नहीं आती है? किसी की मौत का मजाक बना रहे हो, आप लोग को शर्म नहीं आती है? इस कारण एक लड़का बेचारा जवान लड़का 17 साल का गिरा हुआ पड़ा है, उसको गोली लगी है, मर गया है, आप उसको ट्वीट करते हो और
Shalini is on the debate. I have a bad audio there. Shalini on the left because there's a bad audio line there.
It was an order. That order should have been passed. It was the responsibility of the locals over there to have listened to and hear the law enforcement agencies. When you are not hearing it, when you are receiving WhatsApp, that please come, अपना सामान लेकर आइए वहाँ पे और लड़ाई करिए। आप एक बात सुन लीजिए, आप किसी भी अदालत के खिलाफ खड़े हो जाएंगे तो आप गलत होंगे, गोलियां चलेगी। जब पुलिस आपको वहाँ पे बोल रही है हट जाइए, सर्वे होने दीजिए, उसके बाद भी आप सर्वे नहीं होने दे रहे, ये गलत है। और इसमें आप जैसे लोगों का अगर वहाँ पे मौत हुई है वो आप जैसे लोगों की वजह से हुई है, समाजवादी पार्टी की वजह से हुई है। You people do not instigate the poor residents over there. You instigated people over there.
And that 6 Muslim youths have lost their life.
They have lost lives because of people like you. They have lost lives because of people like you who have instigated them. Stop blabbering away on TV and take the responsibility that you and the Samajwadi Party should have not given any WhatsApp message.
I want to come in for a moment. I want to come in for a moment, but I'll tell you one thing, viewers. I'll only speak if there is.
Waris, stop the lower courts from
Waris, wait, Shalini, 1 minute. Shalini, 1 minute. I need to. Okay, 1 minute, please. 1 minute. 1 minute. No. Everybody will have to be quiet and then I'll speak. Put the fader down. I want to say something tonight. And I need to be allowed to speak for 90 seconds uninterrupted. Viewers, there are people who are claiming today that the existence of Ajmer Sharif Dargah is under threat. This includes some frustrated lawyers who always lose cases in court. This includes people like Owaisi. This includes people like Waris Pathan. In my view, they are all making a mountain of a molehill. What is the... Actually, nothing has happened. Nothing has happened. Let me tell you what has happened. There is a Hindu Sena which has said that, quiet please, quiet please. There is a... His voice fader needs to be down and otherwise I will not speak. Viewers, nothing has happened. You know why this has happened? Why this has happened is because I put your fader down and you look very funny when you're speaking in silence. So I have a good sense of humor, so I feel amused by it. But you need to listen to me now. I'll tell you something. Viewers, nothing has happened. There's a lawsuit which is filed by the Hindu Sena, which is laying claim to the Dargah of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, saying we have historical evidence that there is a Mahadev Mandir there. Okay. What has the court done? Court has done nothing. Court has given a notice to Archaeological Survey of India and court has given a notice to Union Ministry of Minority Affairs. Why? Because they need to know what is the position of the ASI. Has any decision been taken? No. Normal procedure से एक notice भेजी गई है. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. मगर जिनको भड़काने वाले हैं, भड़कने वाले नहीं, जो भड़काना चाहते हैं वो वारिस पठान हो या ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड हो या फिर इधर जिन मौका परस्त लोग जो है उनको लगा कि अच्छा मौका है मुसलमानों को भड़काओ, बोलो कि अजमेर शरीफ दरगाह पे नजर है किसी की, अरे कोई नजर नहीं है, नॉर्मल कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, अभी मुस्कुरा रहे देखिए, क्योंकि इनको पता है कि मैंने इनको पकड़ लिया रंगे हाथ. Viewers, these people are provoking Muslims when nothing has happened. A normal procedure, a notice has been given. You go to the court today and say Waris Pathan is a murderer. Waris Pathan will get a notice to prove that he is not a murderer. Doesn't prove anything. You have seen a golden opportunity to provoke Muslims here. You want to provoke Muslims. You want to provoke Muslims. You have no vote bank.
News coming. How can 75 lakh more voter come to vote?
Who voters?
This everything to divert the mind of the nation. Adani is gone.
Muslims.
संभल का
You want
लेके
to
आ गया,
polarize-
बाद में आप अजमेर की दरगाह का लेकर आ गए.
कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. झूठ फैला रहे हैं आप. You are spreading lies. It's a normal
His
procedure.
work has always been to
I am
instigate.
telling you, this is all.
Such a way, Arnab.
This is just instigation.
It's
Viewers, I'm
just
telling
sheer
you,
instigation.
Waris Pathan and All India
Madam,
Muslim
please,
Personal Law
please,
Board are
madam.
purely shallily
I told you,
instigating.
I'm not-
They are
They
finding a chance to
instigate.
instigate Muslims, if you're watching
I
the
have
program,
evidence.
listen to me.
We say facts-
Muslims, Waris
facts
Pathan is a
suggest
liar.
evidence is
Waris
there.
Pathan is a
We say-
liar. He's provoking you.
You're
Don't
the
get
biggest
provoked.
liar. Everybody says Arnab Goswami is the biggest liar.
We don't want
Everybody
all
knows
India
your-
Muslim
your-
Personal
everybody
Law
knows what
Board
you
or
do.
AIMIM
I always
to
show you the
rule
mirror.
over the
I've got a
Muslims.
good humor. I always show you a mirror, Arnab. Don't lie.
No, today notice
Don't
has
try
been
to
given.
impress your
Is a
friend
notice
Modi.
not normal court
Modi has
procedure?
created hatred in
Where
our
have you
country.
studied your law, man? You know
Modi-
nothing. ना लॉ पता है ना पॉलिटिक्स पता है. पॉलिटिक्स में आप लोग फेलियर है, लॉ में फेलियर है आप. अरे नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर है. Ishkaran Bhandari is giving a notice, not a normal procedure. Is this a? Which is the first day of hearing? Even there's no first day of hearing which is being decided. It's obviously normal
The
procedure.
parties have been called in.
Kindly read what act. Kindly read the places.
Ishkaran, improve your link, man.
Netflix series.
Where did?
Rather than watching Netflix series, kindly read the Places of Worship Act. Kindly read the Places of Worship Act.
Please also read that you are not supposed to challenge the court. Please also read you are not supposed to instigate the community. Please also read that you should be learning to learn from your mistakes. All India Muslim Personal Law Board and people like you
I
are
don't
the
need to
ones who
learn
are
anything from
responsible
you.
for what
You are
happened
a
at
right-wing
Sambal.
troll.
We have
I don't want to
and
learn
I'm
anything
calling
from
out
you.
to the whole
Kindly tell me whether
community
Places of
that
Worship
all
Act exists
Muslims
or
should
no.
start ignoring the All India Muslim Personal Law Board because they have done nothing for the Muslims.
Don't
They have
create
only oppressed
hatred.
the Muslims.
In my
They
great
have kept
nation
quiet
Bharat,
on the
don't try to
occasions
divide the
where women
community
have
in the
needed
lines of
their help.
religion.
You
In
are
my great
liars
country Bharat,
in the name
please
of
follow the
community,
Places of
in the
Worship
name
Act
of
1991.
religion. You
In my
try
great
to
country
cause
Bharat,
a
in my
motion
great
where
country
people
Bharat,
are
don't
killed,
try to
where
misuse the
there are
constitution.
riots,
Follow
and
the
that's what
constitution
is your
given to us
own
by Dr.
agenda.
Baba
I
Saheb
can't
Ambedkar.
speak to a person
Follow the
like him.
constitution.
He is
I'll
someone
tell
who
you
should
one thing.
not
I'll tell you one thing. It's so sad. If I ask Waris a question, I'll expose him. So I'll ask him the question. Waris, since you're saying that Ajmer Tarif Dargah is being threatened, is it not true that you're an absolute liar and the truth is that there is no survey that has been planned so far on the Ajmer Dargah? When is the survey?
Order for survey is there. Arey sir, they have moved the petition before the magistrate.
Order for survey is not
That
there.
is why we say the Supreme Court must
Order for
intervene. The
survey
Supreme
is
Court
not
must direct
there.
the lower courts to
Order
ensure
for
that no
survey has
order
not
for
been
survey is
given.
passed. Arey Arnab, you don't. Arnab,
Don't you know the news?
Everything from a mole it started and became a mountain, and today we have lost our Babri
See, now
Masjid.
he's saying
It
Oh,
starts
now he's
from
saying
there.
it's a, now he's hoping it becomes a
No,
mountain.
no.
See, Ishkaran, he cannot give a date for a survey. I caught him lying. I have caught him lying openly today on
wants
television.
people
Shame on
to
you.
close
Shame on you for lying and instigating. There should be a legal case against you.
Same thing with CA. Same thing with CA. I will find legal case against
throw Indian Muslims out of the country. CA did not
I will
affect
take
any
you to
Indian
court.
Muslim. The same
I will take you to
thing
court.
on CA.
They had
that
such a
Indian
big
Muslims
procession
will
take
take
place
you to
for
court for
CA and RC. I
instigating.
totally
False
agree.
statement.
And these are the people
For
who have been
misleading the
instigating
nation.
people. He needs to be banned, man.
You are
have to
misleading
stop
the
calling
nation.
people like him.
The man is extremely dangerous.
He is very dangerous. He
Waris
is only
Pathan is a very
spilling
dangerous
poison.
man.
You
And-
have to tell each and everyone,
Don't talk about
please
Modi and
don't listen
RSS.
to what
I
he
am
is
Waris
saying.
Pathan. I am cool. I am cool. I am not
You're the
dangerous.
same-
I am not Modi
You are
Arnab.
spilling
I am not
poison.
Modi or Arnab Goswami. You are very dangerous for the nation. I am not Arnab Goswami.
you're a
who is the
venomous
most
man.
dangerous and
You're a
in the
venomous
country,
man who had
spreading
said
lies and canards. Every night
15%,
at 8 PM,
85%
every night at
statement
9
आपने ही
PM.
किया था.
You are just
अरे ही इज
misleading the
वेटिंग कि वहाँ
nation.
पथराव हो
Don't
जाए,
spread
वहाँ पे
lies.
लोग
Arnab,
swords
not good.
निकाले,
Arnab,
वहाँ पे
not
लोग
good.
कट्टे निकाले,
Arnab,
जो
not
संभल में हुआ,
good.
he is wanting to अजमेर में भी हो जाए.
Change your tactics, Arnab. Free
Stop.
advice.
Oh my God.
Arnab,
Otherwise
I give you
what?
free advice. Change your tactics.
Otherwise what?
Don't spread lies and canards.
Otherwise what?
Nation is watching.
Otherwise what?
Otherwise
He'll have a
legal
Otherwise
action.
what?
Legal action against you as per
Really
Constitution
legal action
given
against
to
me
by
for
Dr.
exposing
Baba
you on
Saheb
national
Ambedkar.
television?
Legal
File a case
action
against me and say,
as per law.
my lords,
Legal action.
I have been exposed by Arnab Goswami on Republic on
Action.
live TV, who asked me, is anything more
I
than a
expose you
notice?
every day. Since 10 years, I am exposing you every night.
Well, I
Since
mean, the
last
fact
10
of the
years,
matter
I'm
is, can you tell
exposing
me
you,
whether
sitting
there
on
is a
your
survey
channel
in the
every night
Ajmer?
on Times,
No. Is there a
on
survey?
your prime time.
You said there was a survey which is going to be done on the
Don't spread
Dargah.
lies.
And I'm
Don't
asking
spread
you,
lies.
when is the survey?
Why you are after the Dargah?
When is the
Arnab?
survey?
Arnab, please
Since
tell
there
the
is no
nation
survey, why
you are
don't you
after the Dargah?
apologize to me?
800-year-old
Is there a
Dargah,
survey?
Arnab. Millions of people.
You
have
liar.
visited
Is there a
Dargah.
survey? You're a liar.
Arnab, please. Arnab,
Is there a
for
survey?
10 seconds, take time from your channel and your commentary and tell the nation.
Why don't you do
please
some
don't
research
go
before
behind
you come on my
Dargah.
show? When is the survey?
Folded hands.
Tell Ishkaran and tell Shalini, when is the survey? हाथ जोड़ने से कुछ नहीं होगा. You can't run away now. Where is the survey? Where is the survey? हाथ जोड़ो मत मेरे सामने. मैं माफ नहीं करूंगा अभी आपको. अभी माफ नहीं करूंगा. झूठ बोला था मेरे प्रोग्राम पे. झूठ बोला था.
अरे भाई आप
सर्वे नहीं है. हाथ जोड़ने से नहीं होगा. बोलिए झूठ बोला था. बोले मैंने झूठ बोला. Say lie. Say lie.
पेटिशन क्या है?
You lied.
पेटिशन किसने डाला?
सर्वे कब है?
पेटिशन किसने डाला?
सर्वे कब है?
किस लिए डाला?
मैंने नहीं डाला, आपने डाला होगा. किसने? सर्वे कब है?
सोएंगे तो
सर्वे कब है?
बारिश को झूठा
सर्वे कब है?
आप जब आज रात को सोने जाएंगे आप पछताएंगे.
सर्वे कब है?
अरे पेटिशन क्यों डाला?
सर्वे कब है?
पेटिशन क्यों डाला?
मैंने नहीं डाला.
पेटिशन क्यों डाला?
एडवोकेट ने डाला.
अरे यही तो हुआ.
हिंदू
19
सेना
तारीख
ने
को
डाला.
सर्वे कर दिया.
सर्वे कब है?
19 तारीख को सर्वे कर दिया.
सर्वे कब है?
को दूसरा सर्वे
संभल और
कर दिया.
अजमेर को मिक्सअप
अरे
मत
हम लोग
करो.
बेवकूफ
झूठ मत
नहीं हैं.
बोलो.
इसी
रंगे हाथ
तरह से
पकड़ेंगे.
19 का सर्वे
You've been
हुआ.
caught red-handed.
4 बजे ऑर्डर दिया. 6:30 बजे सर्वे. 24 तारीख का फिर सर्वे. अरे अर्नब, अब देश का नागरिक जाग चुका है.
Putting संभल in the context. What a liar this man is.
See, this is what they do. This is what I always tell you, that they have to be ignored.
People by lying on
We
national
don't want
television.
leaders like
Don't
that.
spread lies, Arnab.
You're a professional liar.
Qualified intention.
Take out
We got
WhatsApp
intention of the
messages.
petition.
जो
He's a
reels
professional
होते हैं.
liar.
Of course,
He's a qualified liar.
No, he's
Madam,
poisonous. He
I
needs to
cannot
be
see
locked
her
away.
He needs to be locked up.
He needs to be locked
I
away.
am
He's
a
poisonous,
true-
and he
I am a
cannot
true
be
person. I
one of the
expose the liars.
leaders for
I
our
expose the liars
community.
like Arnab
I
Goswami in the right
am
wing polls every
requesting
night on the
each and
television.
every Muslim
And I'll
today
keep exposing
to
you.
please don't
I will
listen
keep
to people
exposing
like
you
him.
Because I have got the constitution with me.
Why doesn't he
put it
talk
up.
about
Don't
education?
Don't behave like
Why
Rahul
doesn't he
Gandhi.
Follow
talk
the
about
constitution of
literacy?
Don't behave like Rahul
I
Gandhi.
follow the constitution given to me by Dr. Baba
Don't
Saheb
behave like
Ambedkar.
Rahul Gandhi.
Why doesn't he
I
talk
follow
about
this.
education,
I follow
literacy,
this.
Stop
jobs
covering your
for
face.
Muslims? Why doesn't he talk
I
about
follow-
upliftment?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Waris Pathan has been exposed so badly on television today. He's trying to hide behind the Constitution. Don't hide behind the Constitution. Don't hide behind it. You don't respect it.
Why hide?
You don't respect
This is
it.
my strength.
You don't respect
This
it.
is my strength.
No, you don't
To
even
expose
understand.
the lies of you and your
Ladies and
lies.
gentlemen, Waris
This is my
Pathan
strength.
is
I
behaving like an
expose
embarrassment on national television today.
I'll
And he's spreading lies in the context of Ajmer Sharif, which I have exposed 100% tonight. I thank you. Waris, put out on Twitter your apology. Apologize for lying today. Ladies and gentlemen, finally in the Lok Sabha, Waris, I'm sorry I have exposed you. It's very sad. Please apologize.